My beautiful sister, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Beautiful. How's your day going?
It has been great. Just the weather that hasn't been too nice.
Beautiful. Introduce yourself to our viewers.
Okay, my name is Recketta Mapale.
What does that mean?
Recketta means rose. It's my late grandmother's name, who's from Maputo. So Recketta means rose.
Means
Rose.
rose.
Yes.
So if you were to introduce yourself in one sentence, who are you?
I'm a beautiful flower. Is that a sentence?
Yeah.
I'm a beautiful flower.
Oh, beautiful. So tell us about your fitness journey. When did you start?
Oh, wow. Yeah. Years ago, I was actually invited by a friend. We started at Version Active. Then I started running also as a hobby. Did my first marathon about 3 years ago, the Soweto Marathon. I've had 2 medals from that. Then I've never stopped ever since. I just love it. Yeah.
So
It fulfills my purpose also.
what drives you?
What drives me generally? Life and good health, actually. Yeah, good health. And I guess that's why I'm here. Yeah.
So if you ever heard people talking about you, what do you want them to say?
I've made a huge impact in their lives in a good way, only. Yeah.
When it comes to exercise, how did you find yourself at Dream Body Fitness?
So we were a group of trainees that were at one gym. And then when that gym closed, two of our members were actually exercising here. And then they told us about Dream Body. I came once. I was just coming for a trial, which I never even got to do because I fell in love with the gym. I love the space. It's very personal. You feel at home when you're here. So I quite enjoyed that.
What makes you love this place apart from the friendliness? If you had to compare this gym and other gyms you've been to, what are the things that stand out in your mind?
Besides these amazing machines that are here, it's just the people. There's so much authenticity here and respect. I'm very big on respect and all the communication that we constantly get. You don't have to ask, you know what, you always get updates, and I appreciate that. You know, you don't have to be shocked about new things that are happening because the communication here is the best.
What is your advice for women that are struggling to get fit?
It's to try, and when you've given up trying, try again. Don't stop.
If you're looking back at your life, you're talking to the 10-year young you, what advice, life lessons have you learned that will give a young version?
Don't be too hard on yourself. There's no manual for this life. Just do life and take it a day at a time.
What are the biggest obstacles on your journey to becoming healthy and a better version of yourself?
Sure, my obstacles was a health challenge. This is when after I gave birth to my son, that was my biggest obstacle actually. It was a life-threatening experience for me. And I think that's when I realized that I cannot stop getting fitter and fitter every day because you never know. Nobody has promised you tomorrow.
What does fitness mean to you?
Fitness means not giving up. It's tough. You know, there are days where you feel like, what am I doing here? Especially, I mean, me with mornings. Oh my gosh, if I have to come to gym in the morning, I actually reward myself. So fitness to me means don't give up. Even if you feel like you don't want to go. Force yourself. Even if it's 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it will fulfill you.
What is your advice to busy mothers? How does being fit make you a better mother?
It's different, you know. Sometimes you are feeling very fresh and energized. Like, for example, I had a very hectic day at work today, and coming here, I'm feeling very, very alive, energized. So yeah, I think that helps a lot.
Life is hard. When it punches you in the face, what is the mantra that you go back to keep you standing?
To keep me standing. uh, it's just good energy when you're around people. It's good energy. Yeah, I just need that. Then I'm good. I can never think of life being hard if I'm surrounded by good energies.
What values do you live by?
Wow, I could write a book about that. But I think my biggest one would be respect, communication, and yeah, I think those are my biggest two.
And finally, what does God mean to you?
Yeah, he's the best thing that has ever happened in my life. I can never go a day without acknowledging him. Every day of my life, it's like I know that he walks with me, besides me, everywhere, behind me. So he's the boss. He's my boss before anybody. Yeah.
And are you ready for this session?
I'm looking forward to it. I am so ready.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much.